What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a solar fountain. You guys, I haven't reviewed a solar fountain in over a year, you guys, so we are back. Solar fountains are coming in. Companies want me to review it because I guess whatever I review comes out better than their instructions. That's between us. So anyways, people on the internet love the way I do the review of these solar fountains. They love the instructions on how I give them. For the most part, I don't really look at the instructions anymore because I kind of know what this stuff is, you guys. So blah 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 blah. Anyway, so this is the AISITIN solar fountain, you guys. I used to call this Austin solar fountain, so my bad. So this is the AISITIN solar fountain, and we are going to get into it now. This is a different style than the past, you guys. In the past, they used to just be regular, but now they're coming out with all types of nozzles where they spray up and twist and all this other cool stuff. So we are going to get into all of the nozzles and stuff like that. If you have subscribed to the channel, then you kind of know how this review is going to go. So let's go ahead and open the box. And I hope y'all enjoying the weather today. It's very hot out here in Maryland, that's for sure. Out here in Maryland, it's very hot. All right, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It look like 5 or 6 nozzles in here. We will confirm that. We have the pump, and then we have the mini instructions. But this is a 3000 milliamp solar fountain right here. Right here it says night and auto. That is something new. I never seen this before. So you have night right here, auto right here. So they have a switch. Features. Do they have auto function? When the battery power is more than 70%, the battery will assist the fountain. So basically night mode is what it means. It means night mode for what I see here, but we will go over that again just so I can have a better understanding. Once again, this is new, you guys, so this is a big upgrade to what they used to have. So I'm going to leave it on auto mode. So you have to shift it. I don't know if you can see the knob in there, but there's a knob, so you have to shift it to the mode that you want it on. So I'm gonna put it on auto mode. I know a lot of people ask me about this, but this is the pump right here, you guys. When this pump right here backs up with algae, you have a filter right here. Now, they used to give you a lot of these filters, and for some reason, they don't give you a lot of filters no more. So you will have to keep re-cleaning this filter, you guys. If this filter is blocked right here, forget about your fountain working. All right, just forget about it. So we're going to put that back in the middle, and all you got to do is slide this piece right back in here, and that's it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. What they gave us was basically the nozzles. Usually there's a long part in the middle, so if you look at the picture, there is like, it seems like there's a long part right here in the middle. It's just a regular attachment, so you have your attachment right here, and then you can hook up your fountain to that. So you just twist. There's a little notch right there. You see this notch? And then again on this side there is another notch, and then twist, and then we put it right here like so. Now if you want to change a nozzle, well, that twist is off. So if you want to change a nozzle, it's fairly easy. You can take it off like that. Let's see if I can push this thing on. All right, so just like that. Just make sure you push it onto the pump really good. So it's easy to change nozzles now, you guys. That's a nozzle change right there. Nozzle change right there. So easy, so easy. And you have your other nozzles right here, little bullet nozzles. All right, you have your spinner, so we'll get into that. We have reviewed the spinner ones. So let's go ahead, put the water in the fountain, which we already have it, and check out the features. So we are about to get the party started. Now, Another thing somebody asked me is why their pump is not working. One thing could be because you have air in the system. So sometimes when you put the pump on, water may not come out right away because there is air in the system of the pump. So y'all see that it's trying to come out. You see, sometimes you just have to give it a while, but if that didn't happen, you will have to take it out and put it back in. Easy takeoff, you guys. Easy takeoff. Put the other one right on. That one shoots up a little bit higher. I'm gonna take this one off, showing y'all the different ones. Some people might ask, do you lose a lot of water? It depends on what nozzle you have on there. A nozzle like this, you may lose a lot of water depending on the size of your bird bath. Now the size of mine is an 18-inch, but if you have a 20-inch, you should be good if you have a 20-inch. You will lose water, but you won't lose that much water. I love the new style, you guys. Twist and go. All right, you guys, now this is my style where it's not too much water leaving the bird bath, and the birds like taking the bath in this, you guys. All right, then we have the last of our flat nozzle right there. Now that one shoots up pretty high. I don't know if y'all can see the true height of it, but there you go. Now y'all see that it's shooting down and hitting the floor. This will be good if you have a pool. You have these bullet ones here. Now to use the bullet, you have to take this back off. All right. You have to take this little adapter off, or reducer, whatever you want to call it. It's the adapter for the flatheads. You take that off. And then you use your bullet and then put it right on top. Now the things with the bullets is that they shoot up a little bit higher than the rest of them. So be mindful of that if you want to use the bullets. So that's one would look like a flower kind of with a 5-star right there in the middle. Right now we're about to put a single bullet on. There you go. All right, and then we're going to save the best for last. At least I think it might be the best. Let's see. All right. Now you have the spinner, you guys. Now to put the spinner on, you see how this little spinner right here is like a mechanism right there. So you have to kind of match it up to this and then twist it in. And then it keeps spinning. So now we're gonna put it right on top, and there you go. When the sun hit it, you'll see the water come out a little bit more. And it should be enough water in here. The older style used to come with these little plastic, I guess you would call it like little straws or pegs. That way your solar fountain won't go everywhere in your bird bath. So the newer style comes with these little legs right here. So you see these legs? Boom, right there. It's right there on the side. All right. And this foam right here, you keep the foam on so the fountain can float proper. And I like how they put their brand name on here, AISITIN. Nice. All right. Take that out, take that out, and take that out. And then your fountain should stay stabilized. All right, everybody, so I'm gonna give you all my final thoughts of this AISITIN solar fountain. I have to say that this is just like the other solar fountains, you guys. It's flawless. Right now I have it on night shift or night mode. It works in the day. It don't work all day, all right? So it charges a little bit and then it kicks off. So it's been off for a little while now, and it will come on. It's like 8 something right now, usually around 9 or something like that. It comes on and it lasts. I was out here till like 12 something and I fell asleep. So I was keeping an eye on it at like 12 o'clock, and it lasted for a pretty decent amount of time. So my one back there is on, and oh look, as we talk now it just came on. That is insane, you guys. It just came on, so that is pretty cool, you guys. I can't believe it came on right now. So I believe the time is like 9 o'clock. It's built in, so everything is built in, you guys. All right. Hopefully they'll upgrade it one day, and you'll have a remote. You can change the colors, turn it on and off, and stuff like that. So hopefully next year models will be a little bit more upgraded. So other than that, that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.